Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. So today, in this lesson, we will learn how the words are formed by joining the alphabets. So let's begin with that. Alif, it's singular. Lam is in color and alif is black. Lam, alif. Ba is colored and alif is black. Lam, alif. Lam, lam, alif. Lam, ha. Lam, alif. Ba, lam, ba. Kaf, another form of kaf. Kaf, ba. Kaf, ba. Kaf, alif. Kaf, alif. Ba, kaf, ta. Ta, kaf, tha. Ba, it's singular. Ta, it's also singular form. Tha, noon, ya. Again, ba is colored, alif is black. Ba, alif. Noon, alif. Ta, alif. Ya, alif. Tha, alif. Ba, sin. Ya, sin. Noon, sin. Ta, sin. Tha, sin. Tha, jim. Ta, ha. So keep practicing this lesson and also for the next lesson as shown here. Sadaqallahul Azim. I would request you to like and share our videos, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell icon to stay connected with us.